Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Yahoo Finance. When autoplay video mode is on, then one video after another keeps on playing on itself. To turn off autoplay videos on Yahoo Finance, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now tap on Account option on down right corner, then tap on Settings option. After this, now here you can see Autoplay Videos option on third, tap on Autoplay Videos. Now here you can customize your Autoplay Videos option. You can tap on Wi-Fi option. With this, your videos will be autoplayed when you are using Yahoo Finance through your Wi-Fi only. To turn it off completely, tap on Autoplay Videos option, then tap on Never option on last. With this, the videos won't be autoplayed automatically even if you are using Wi-Fi. As you can see here, my Autoplay Videos is in Never option. That means my Autoplay Videos option is turned off. This is how we can turn off autoplay videos on Yahoo Finance. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.